Hi everyone, nice to see you once again. Today I am going to show you why you need to study English or why you learn English because there's a very important thing that you need to know, the why that you learn English. If you want to make sure, I'm going to show you the very important point, the why that you need to learn English. Yes, when beginning to learn a new language, you need reason to keep you motivated during this journey. It isn't always easy to keep yourself interested in a new language, and there are many obstacles that you might face. At first, you learn English might seem boring and time consuming. However, you should focus on benefit that English have to offer and the, the outcome of the whole learning experience. Why is English an important language? Here are some ideas on why it is important to learn English. That hopefully will give you the motivation to start your journey. English is the most used and spoken language around the world. At least one out of five people can speak or understand English. English is the official language of 57 countries around the world. You can instantly increase your ability to communicate with people from different countries and continents. English is the language used in business, science, technology. Learning English will increase your chance to get a job, participate in discussion, and improve your networking skill. English help you increase your educational opportunities. When you learn English, you can attend international school around the world and become better educated. You gain access to numerous English resources and increase your knowledge instead of getting lost in translations. Learning English is easier than learning some other language like German, Chinese, or Arabic, considering that it's the most spoken language. The resources that someone can access in order to learn and multiple across the internet. Nowadays, there are so many options from personalized online tutoring to digital applications like NARA Reader that will help you learn and improve your English. It's fun. Learning English will help you understanding different culture, communicate with people from all over the world, and also habits that are different from yours. We know it's hard, but stay motivated. Don't forget that you can personalize your learning process to your needs, goals, and level, making the experience more engaging and exciting. Finding something that inspires you might boost even more you will to learn. What is that really excited you of the English language? Why do you want to learn English? Do you have a specific goal to achieve, instrumental motivation, or is it the whole journey and process that excites you? And the understanding of a new culture integrate you motivation? So this is the reason that you need to learn English. Technology now allow everyone to study and learn on their own pace from the comfort of their home during their free time. In the end, of course, it all comes down to will, devotions, and motivations. Sometimes learning English might need patience and effort, but at the end, it's worth endeavor. Remember, it is up to you to make the learning process into an interesting and fun one. Thank you for joining with me to recover how and why we study English. So this is the important and the example that I I'm showing you about why you need to learn English because it is very important for the communication, technology, and everything else that you need to know. If you know English, you can learn more and you can increase your ability of research, and everything you need is writing in English, most document of the world. Thank you for joining me today, and please don't forget to hit the button subscribe below and click the bell to get more information with my channel. I'm teaching you and you will learn English with me and you will get the best result that you never expect before. Bye bye. Thank you so much. May God bless you.